Hey everyone, Trina here. Today we're going to be working in the sketchbook. And I thought I'd play with this 12 Shades of Grey acrylic set. Comes in all of these wonderful colors. We're going to be working with the yellow gray, let's see, the warm gray, and I think the cold gray today. So let's get started. So of course we're going to start with making marks. I've got my Derwent Graphic 3B here. My new favorite pencil. I'm just going to make some marks. I thought we'd play on the Gelli plate today with some stencils and see what we can make. I might use some acrylic ink as well. We'll just see where the day takes us. Let's start by laying down some water here so we can add some ink on here. I'm going to go in with the color shaper and just sort of move this around. I'm really loving the color shaper with the acrylic ink. Fastly becoming one of my favorite ways to make marks. It's such a variety that you get from it. Go back in the pencil a little bit. So we're going to go in with some of this cool cold gray. Just lightly put down some color under this mask. And I think I want to add a bit of a stencil onto this too. Use some Gelli plate paper to take off some of that color. And then we're going to plop it right onto the page. That is a lot of texture. I don't know that I like that, but let's see what we get. Okay, that didn't work at all. It kind of worked. That's okay. So I'm going to roll out a little bit more of that blue or that cool gray. I don't think I got enough. I have not worked with these on the Gelli plate before, these paints. And they seem to dry exceedingly fast, so we're going to have to work a little quickly to get this to work, I think. Or maybe put it on thicker. Oh, that was nice. That's not bad. I kind of want to do this slowly so I can build up some layers in here. So I'm going to use a little bit of this warm gray. I'm going to add a little bit more this time and see what we get. And maybe without a stencil. Ooh, that's a nice color. Oh, it's really bright. Okay, I lied. I'm going to put a stencil on it because I don't really like... Need something to break it up a little bit. Okay, and I just put this right on here. That's probably going to be way too much, but... Well, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I like the mixture of the textures we got going on here. I think I want to put some yellow through here. So this is the yellow gray. It kind of looks more green to me, but that could just be the lights in here. I don't want a lot of this, so that's why I added the 2 masks. We've just got a little sliver there. And in case you're wondering, I did dry that ink so that's not sticking to the jelly plate. Ooh, that's kind of fun. I feel like I want more gray down here. And roll this out. I thought these would be a really nice color palette for winter, maybe. It's so almost just very gray outside right now, and feels like this might be a good difference. Let's add a bit of the stencil. Put the jelly paper out. Almost time for a new sheet. Okay, we've got some good lines there. I really just want this to be at the bottom of the page. Good to pick up some of that yellow, but that's okay. I kind of like it. Okay, we're going to add in some of this bronze. I just want some of these. Just want some of these vertical lines in here. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. I'm just gonna put it right through here. I just smeared it, I think. Really trying to just build up some slow layers. We'll see how frustrated I get and start just slapping paint on. Okay, that's not as noticeable as I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna go back in with the golden open white. I think it needs a little bit of lightness in there. And this is kind of not gonna be white. It's gonna be like off-white because I didn't clean my brayer. And I think I just want to do it right through there. So it's really thin. Like right through here. Let's see how that looks. Not bad. I'm gonna come in with the Inktense Baked Earth. And we're just gonna do some marks down here. I feel like it needs a bit of more color through here. I'll get that a little wet. That doesn't really like to go over the ink, that acrylic paint very well. Interesting. I'm going to go back in with the Inktense Bark, which is a brown tone. And this is working out much better. I don't know that I've ever used that other pencil before. Maybe it was just, it was too new? I don't know. Very strange. Because normally the Inktense goes right over paint. I'm going to go in with this Indian or English red. And I know it doesn't look like it's doing anything because it's not. But then we're going to take our little spongy here. I kind of did something. I did it down here. Hold on. Okay, I put some white paint on my little Starbucks cup thing. And I'm going to put this right through here. Oh, that's what it needed, was something. And then I think I'm going to put it Who knew that a Starbucks little sleeve is going to be my favorite mark making tool. It's real subtle, but I like it. Another thing that Gelli Plate is good for is using as a palette. So I want to add more of this ink in here. So I've just put some here on the palette, and then we're gonna add some more of this Payne's Gray through here, and maybe our favorite color might make an appearance. So I'm gonna come in with the little bit of the Carbon Black from Golden and add some more darker spots in here. I think it needs a little bit more contrast, maybe some solid areas. They need to be connected. They can't just be out there. I can run a really big blotch of black through here. I kind of like that. Can mimic the reeds. Okay, we're going to do something really crazy and bold. This is the Chinese green. I'm going to add in some of that in here. I don't know how this is going to work, but I feel like it just needs a pop. It needs something. It's feeling a little stagnant. Ooh, I kind of like it. Ooh, I really like it up here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this dumb? It's a dumb idea. You know, I like it. I like it. I don't think I've ever used this crayon in my life. It's a bit fluorescent, but look what it's doing. It's like adding some motion through here. I think I'm done with that. I don't need too much of it. Okay. This is the final piece. I like what the stencils did down here with a little bit of water. I really like the green with the black. I think it looks really cool. I love the Payne's Gray. I love what we did up here. Although I think I'm gonna erase what happened up there because I got a little bit carried away. Let me get out my eraser and we'll just do that real quick. Maybe not all of it, maybe just some of it. Yeah, that's better. I liked the gray tone colors as a base. I think they're pretty neutral. I'm not sure if I love painting over them because I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll make another one and we'll see. I'm sort of still up in the air about whether I love them or not, but I do really like what's going on here. Here it is with the matte over it. Really isolates things. I like looking at my work after I've done them with a matte on them. Yeah, I like this. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a really awesome holiday. And I will see you next week with a new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the video to the left. if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.